Hi students, this is the class for grade 9. In previous class, we have discussed about the different types of immune response. What is immunity, how antibody form in our body and how it destroy the antigens, that is immune response, and different types of immune response we have discussed. Today we will discuss about the different kinds of vaccine. What is vaccine? Now, vaccine is a substance which is prepared from different kinds of antigen and it give to the human being or in different types of animals also, which give the immunity, which provide us the immunity. How it works, that will be discussed later. First of all, give some example of vaccine. DPT vaccine means diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. D for diphtheria, P for pertussis and T for tetanus. So DPT vaccine is able to give protect us from three diseases, that is diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. BCG vaccine that give protection against different infection which caused by bacillus. Bacillus is a kind of bacteria. Calmette and Guerin. All such bacteria. Bacillus is a group of bacteria. BCG vaccine is a very good vaccine and it have a broad range. It is known as broad range vaccine because it gives a protection from a lot of disease. OPV, oral polio vaccine, means it gives the protection against polio virus. MMR, measles, mumps and rubella. These are the MMR vaccine give the protection against measles, mumps and rubella. TT, it is a very common vaccine. We are all known tetanus vaccine. It gives us from a disease. It gives us the immunization to fight against the tetanus virus. And here there is a lot of vaccine, that is hepatitis B vaccine, typhoid vaccine. It is the name of vaccine. Now we will know what is the vaccine. What is the vaccine, how it is prepared and how it functions. It is very important. So first of all, we give some example which you have to know that which vaccine give protection against which disease. Now we will study about the different types of vaccine produced how and what is the actually vaccine works, how the vaccine works. Now vaccine is produced from antigen. You are known antigen, all the disease caused by different types of antigen, like cholera caused by Vibrio cholerae. So different types of antigen cause different types of disease. The vaccine is produced from the antigens, means in which disease we prepare the vaccine, we take that antigen at first and prepare a substance. It may be in low amount. It has two forms. Attenuated or killed, means we take the antigen in form of attenuated, means live. The antigens we are live, and one is from killed, means dead organism. Two forms are available. We have to get that which kinds of antigens able to give the protection from us. So how we think about that? The history you should know. It is discovered by Edward Jenner at the year of 1796. Edward Jenner at the year of 1796. He first discovered the vaccine. But how we think about vaccine? How the scientists firstly think about the vaccine? Just remember, which I give demonstration in the previous video, how our immune system occurs. Antibody occurs how? Now first of all, T lymphocyte cell attached with antigen. It is antigen. Antigen attached with T lymphocyte cell. Then T lymphocyte cell differentiated TK cell, TD cell, TS cell, TCK cell. So different types of T cells, and that T cell help to kill the antigen. If failure, then TH cell report to the B cell, and B cell differentiate to produce antibody. It is the mechanism. Here is some mechanism I have discussed, that when we call T helper cell, there is two type of cell that is produced in them, that is T lymphocyte and B lymphocyte. When it is produced, T lymphocyte cell differentiated into different kinds of TC cell, TK cell, TD cell, TS cell, a lots of there is, but there is a special version, that is TM cell. And B cell also differentiated to produce plasma cell and BM cell. Plasma cell produce the antibody, and BM cell, M word for memory. TM means T memory cell and BM for B memory cell. This memory cell is what like our memory card. You are very well known memory card in our phone. They help us to keep some memories like videos, different contacts, etc. That's like this T memory cell or B memory cell help to memorize the type of antigen they have killed. So when some difficult types of antigens enters into our body and body produced the antibody, they produce the BM cell. So this B memory cell, when that antigen get infection in future again repeatedly, then body easily can the antibody. So this is the theory based on which the scientists thought about the vaccine. How? Now if we give some low amount of antigen have some parts, different parts means nucleic acid, upper coat, inner coat, protein. So we take some part or take the total living antigen or kill form which is suited for that disease, and it inject in our body, inject into our body in a very low amount, so it is unable to produce a disease, means we are not infected by that antigen, because body produce the body produce the antibody, but we are not ill because that is in very low amount, and body easily make the antibody to control that antigen. And as the antibody is prepared, that's why B memory cell also prepared, and this memory cell kept in mind these types of antigen, how the antibody have to function, what kinds of antibody is required for that particular antigen. Clear? I repeat again, we inject the antigen in a very low amount. It may be living form, may be kill form, it depends the type of antigen. That will be discussed in your upper classes. But from here, you know that antigen may be killed form or may be living form. That is known as attenuated form. And these two types of form inject in our body in very low amount. And as per the body, when a antigen infect us, then our body produce antibody. So in that format, the B memory cell also prepared, and this memory cell kept in mind that how they tackle this antigen. So when really the antigen enters in our body or infect us, then our body easily make that antibody. That's why the vaccine give us protection in that way. So that is known as vaccination. So in this class we have discussed about different kinds of vaccine, how the vaccine works, and what do you mean by the vaccination. Why the vaccination so much important? Because there is a lot of disease in which there is no medicine, but our body able to produce the antibody. That's why vaccine is important, because we give the vaccination, our body produce the antibody, and we easily control the antigen. In next class we will discuss about different types of disease occurred due to infection of different kinds of organism.